2 videos in one day, yay! So, originally I wasn't planning to make this video, but I didn't think this package was gonna arrive today, so change of plans, cause it did. And so yeah, I refused to let it sit here for any longer, and I have a bunch of videos already scheduled for this month. So, well, not a bunch, just for the rest of the month. So, yeah, I'm gonna upload it today. I don't know if you know this, but it was my birthday on the 12th, and I turned 18, and now I'm an adult, but I have no idea how to be an adult, so I'm just kind of stuck right here. I told my mom I wanted a hamster, and she told me that I could get one after I get a job, so I'm looking for a job right now. That's totally off topic. Box! Okay, this box is way too big to fit in the camera, but I'm gonna try to open it now. Ta-da! This is what I got myself for my birthday, cause I'm an adult and I do what I want, snitch! Yeah, I'm a bit too excited about this, cause I don't know if you know this, but oh, you can see part of my face, but I don't really care, cause you can't really see all of it. I don't know if you know this, but this is a limited edition Figma. It just, yeah. And they only made as many as people ordered them. So unless you ordered one, they wouldn't get made, and they would only take orders for a certain amount of time. And I only found out about this after they took orders. So, yeah, I couldn't get one, and I was super sad about it. But then I found one. It was actually cheaper than the retail price, which is insane because usually limited edition collectibles go for a lot higher than their original price. But yeah, that's enough rambling. Time to open this thing. At this point of the unboxing, they have instructions and all the pieces that you should have, and they have instructions in both English and Japanese, as Figma has a lot of foreign collectors as well. You get a lot of hands. Yeah. This part is cut open, but everything else has not been touched, so I have no idea. And it also came with a factory seal, so I have no idea why this part is cut open. But oh well, some questions are left better unanswered. So it also comes with a stand, a bunch of spare hands, like I said. A plastic resealable bag to put all of the spare parts in, and yeah, let's actually get to the juicy part of this unboxing. Pokeball and the Z-Ring also came factory sealed, so I really don't think the original owner opened this ever. But for some reason, the plastic bag for the hands has been cut. I can't take out the Pokeball, what the heck. Alright, so here are all the pieces. She comes with a spare faceplate so that she can have at least 2 different emotions. We all know Moon is not a very expressive person, so that's not too much of an issue. It also comes with these 3 starters. Litten, for some reason, can't stand up on his own. Oh, actually, there we go. Earlier I was having trouble with it, but so we have Litten, Poplio, and Rowlet over here. This is actually my first Rowlet figurine, believe it or not. It's kind of annoying. Every single time I try to get a Rowlet, I can't get one for some reason. And she also comes with a Z-Ring, and also a Pokeball, and she also comes with her purse. And like I showed earlier, her hat can come off, so can her hands, according to the instruction manual. Her torso can also be removed, and also the front part of her hair can also be removed so that you can put in different base plates. Overall, she is extremely detailed and very, very well articulated. So something that I really appreciate about this, the peg is on the arm, not on the hand, which is really handy because it's harder to break that way. For Monster High and Ever After High dolls, the peg is on the hand, which makes it super duper hard to snap it back in place firmly without the peg breaking at all. And yeah, this is amazing. I love this. I wish Monster High and Ever After High would do this, but I seriously doubt they'll take anything into consideration now because they're dead. I'm honestly super scared of losing this Pokeball. I should probably put it away before I still have it. Meh. So here is the stand, and you're supposed to sort of assemble it together, kind of like this, and just goes around like this, and there's a hole in her back that you can stick the stand into. If it'll go in. Come on. Seriously. Are you freaking serious right now? This might take a moment. Also, there's a very specific hand that fits the Pokeball, but it doesn't fit very well, and it'll fall off, so I don't recommend displaying her holding the Pokeball, but if you want to take pictures, I guess this one works quite well. I'm still scared of losing it. Something tells me this is not how the doll stand should be used. Yeah, I still can't figure out how to get the doll stand to work, but it does prop her up a little bit, so, yeah, I think that works. It's not earthquake-proof, that's for sure. But overall, I am absolutely in love with this figurine. It is so cute, and yeah, I'm starting a bit of a Figma obsession, and this is definitely not going to be the last one that I get. As soon as the weather forgives me for going outside, I think I will take a few pictures with this girl because she's adorable. I freaking love Moon, okay? Yeah. This is amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!